Everyone, it is now springtime, and after getting through the winter, one of the things I noticed was I was getting some kind of smearing or not clean wiping of my wiper blades. So upon further inspection, that's what I discovered. The rubber has broken, so this is due for replacement. These are very quick to replace. You should be able to do it yourself. They're not that expensive, and they are a critical part of safe driving. So let me show you. There go the crows again. I tell you, every time my camera's out, crows have to have an argument. This is a 2020 Honda CRV, and it has the beam style blades that were on there already. So I just picked up the beam style ones. They use what's called the J hook style of mounting. Different cars have different types, so check that. You can look it up online. You can look it up any of the auto parts stores, or they typically will have, like in the big box store, sometimes we'll have binders where you can look up your make and model and year and get the measurements. I needed a 26-inch and a 17-inch. So I've already done the 26-inch driver's side, so let me show you how to do the passenger side. So you're gonna just lift this up, and as you can see, this one is beyond due. I should have replaced this earlier. So you're gonna squeeze this towards the bar and then slide this down. Once it releases, then you can work it the rest of the way. It's a little tight. Just be careful not to bend the wiper blade arm. This is a little awkward because I'm trying to stick clear of the camera. So that's gonna come off. Now in this case, this has a blocker, so you just lift that up. We're gonna slide this out of the way, and then I'm gonna drop it down just so I have better leverage. There we go. So that popped into position. And then I'm gonna put that in place to lock it. And that's it. So it is just starting to rain, so I'm gonna get inside, but quick thing just to show you how to replace these wiper blades. Make sure you do it. Drive safe. As always, thanks so much for watching. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button so you get notified of more videos. Until the next one, see you later.